Whoa, look at what happened to the tree. This is red cedar. Whoa. Fascinating to see, eh? This is how the Aboriginals, our local, I think is Salish. I'm guessing. Don't quote me on it. But this is really cool. As you can see, the tribes or councils, they come and they do their ceremony cuts on the red cedar. Basically, they strip part of the skin or bark, and they can make basket. They can weave hats, raincoats, and wow, and the way they harvest the bark, they take part only maybe 10%, 10-15% of the bark. So they don't take the entire tree, because that will kill the red cedar. So this, they only take a small portion, and the tree continues to thrive. And with red cedar, they're very they have a very strong antibacteria saps. So that basically they could protect. They get protected. So typically, mole bugs don't like them. That's why they could stay healthy, although they have a fresh cut or part of the bark taken off. So the bark is mainly used to transfer nutrients and water from the trunk, from the root to the upper trunk canopy, and that's how the trees survive. And typically with mushrooms, they grow on the root system. The mycelium forms a symbiotic relationship with a tree, and it's a give and take. Yeah, so it's very nice to see. A lot of people, when they come into the forest, they wonder why they're part of the bark missing. There's the answer.